morning, everyone! As you know, I am Raquel, your maths teacher, and as I promised you the day before, today we are going to talk about toothpicks. First of all, and before we solve some problems, I'm going to explain you how do toothpicks work. Okay, here we have one toothpick, one and single toothpick, which would represent 1 unit. Here, 2 units, and so on. We can keep as this until 9. And why until 9? Okay, because if we want to represent 10, we transfer this into a unit of higher order, which would be the 10. And they are represented with a green wrap. The same happens with the 10. If we have 10 tens, we transfer them into a unit of higher order, which could be the 100. And it's represented with a red wrap. And now we are going to solve a couple of mathematical problems with this method.
Problem 1. Kim has to do a project for arts and crafts, so she's meeting Grace, her friend, at home. They have to paint a poster for Christmas, so they need some painting tools. Kim has 37 color pencils at home, and Grace brought 53 color markers for the project. How many painting tools do the girls have in total?
And to solve this problem, we have to do an addition. And why an addition? Because the statement asks us in total, taking into account the painting tools of both of them. After reaching the result that we can saw in the previous image, we realize that we can transform the 10 units of the result into a unit of higher order, which would be 110. So we do this transformation.
Problem 2. After finishing the arts and crafts project, Kim and Grace decided to go to the park to sell lottery tickets for their school trip to the mountains. After an hour and a half, they both met again to count how many tickets did sold each one. Kim sold 42 tickets, while Grace sold 72. How many times has Grace sold more tickets than Kim?
Once that we have read paying so much attention the second statement, we are going to solve the second problem. And we're going to do it as well with the toothpicks method. So, first of all, the statement says to us that Grace has sold 72 tickets and that Kim has sold 24 tickets. And the question of the problem is, how many times has Grace sold more tickets than Kim? We are going to solve. Once that we have represented both amount of tickets, we have to look for an operation which relation both of the amounts. And after thinking, we have reached the conclusion that the operation is a division. In order to do the division, what we have to do is to distribute the 72 toothpicks, which represent the tickets sold by Grace, into the 24 toothpicks, which as well represents the number of tickets sold by Kim. As you could see in the previous picture, I have placed kind of 24 stations which would represent the tickets sold by Kim. And now I am going to distribute the 72 tickets sold by Grace into these stations. The next picture you will see the result. Until here, the two problems solved with the toothpick method. Bye bye, and I hope you have learned.